All right, I'm gonna show you how to lay out angled stalls with the auto layout. So first, I'm gonna restripe tonight, not a paving job, so I can't show it on ground. But so you have your curb line here. No curbs on either side, wide open. So you just have a straight line. First thing you want to do is decide how far off the curb line you want the stalls to start. Usually we do 60-degree stalls 16 feet off the curb line. So then we draw, snap a chalk line 16 feet off. So that line's parallel to the curb. Over here, you need to square up your first line. Yes, it's 90 degrees, but that's how you start. You start here, 90 degrees off the curb line to your chalk line. Then decide how wide you want the stalls. 9 foot, 8 foot, 5, 10 foot, whatever you want, doesn't matter. So now once you have your curb, your outside chalk line, and your square mark here, then we go over to the auto layout. Hopefully this picks up on the screen. Scroll 2 menus to the right, our layout menu. Everybody uses A for standard stalls, but down here you'll see B for angled stalls. So we'll hit B. Now we have to decide. So see what's flashing? That's your degrees right now. So you can change it to 45, 60, 70, whatever. Don't change it to 90 because that's absolutely useless because the main menu is designed for 90. So once you have your 60 degree stall, 60 degree angle set, you hit the select button, hit it, and now 16 feet, your start mark comes up. This is set for 16 feet already, but you use these buttons down here to raise or lower, however you want to do it. Hit the button again, select button, it brings it to the stall width. 9 foot's already preset. So once we have that, we hit the button again, it changes the length. That's how you can decide, adjusting this number will alter this number. I've never had an issue with 18.5 foot long stalls an angle. So once you got that set, then you'll see there's a B measurement and a C measurement. Those correspond to, up here, the B button and the C button. So what you're going to do is the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hit the C button to establish your offset, which is 9.24 feet. So what you do is you hit C, automatically brings to 9.24 feet. That's the same offset from right here. So you start on your 90 degree mark off the curb, hit the button, and your first dot is at 9.24 feet. So if you snap a line between that one and this mark out here, that's your 60 degree angle. Then what you're going to do, go back to the screen, focus, there we go. You're going to hit B again, but you want to go back to the angle. This is the main layout menu. And now you want to start marking your stalls, 10.39 feet. So then you hit B, and it brings you 10.39 feet. Then you're going to start at this point here. You're going to pre-mark 10.39 all the way down, or however long you need. This point here, from here all the way down, so you have the same number of dots on the curb line as you do on the outside. Snap them, laser them, however you want to do. And that's how you use the auto layout to do it. Now, if you have a different situation, if you have a curb line and you have preformed curbs, right? You're stuck with the drunk masons putting your curbs in, and you have no choice. You have to fit however many stalls that they give you. They preset the angle, so you don't have a choice. So So what we do is we bring out this mark long with the chalk, we extend this one. Then what we'll do is we already have our 16-foot or wherever mark they established chalk line installed. Drive very straight and measure from this mark to this mark in your regular layout menu, not in the angle layout. Then what you do is you divide it to the number of stalls that you need, and then you're done. Then you come back here, pre-mark. This is where it gets tough. You have to get the same pre-mark along the curb line, so your first stall will line up. The easiest way to do it, if you have an angle stall this way and you have a curb line, put your auto gun on the left side of the machine. This way you can hit the 0 against the curb and back up for your first mark. And the same thing, pull up here, put 0 against the curb and back up. Once you back up, you got your two parallel marks. Turn around and go this way straight for the rest of your marks. If you back up on the curb line pre-marking, you have to back up on your outside mark pre-marking. So you don't want to back up on this one and go forward on this one. You want them all measured the same exact way. There could be a slight variance between going forward or reverse. So always pre-mark in the same direction. But then once you got 2 marks down, then you can buzz going forward the rest of it. And however wide it is, it is. You don't have a choice. They set your curbs for you. So you just divide up whatever it is, number of stalls are required. There you go.